Okay, this is how I repaired my GMC grill. Had some cracks here where it mounts, and in the center here. And what I did was I had it off to paint it, and while it was off, I drizzled some Gorilla Glue on the cracks, and then I painted right over. It worked pretty good. There is another crack appearing right here, I just noticed, but other than that, not too bad. I painted the grill with flat black. I tried the semi-gloss or the low sheen, and it didn't look as good as the flat black. And also probably would have been better if I had left the grill bolted on when I drizzled this on, just to keep everything lined up. But other than that, pretty good. What I'll probably do is just drizzle a little more right there in that crack, and should be good to go. That's it.